What we're going to do now is look at the 3-note per string fingering for the C half-whole diminished scale. And this fingering starts with our first finger at the 8th fret of the thickest string, and we're going to be playing the notes C, D flat and D sharp, and that's with fingers 1, 2, 4. And then we move to the A string and we play the 7th fret, which is an E note, and then an F sharp note at the 9th fret, and then a G note at the 10th fret, and that's fingers 1, 3, 4. And then we move to the D string and we play an A note with our first finger, and then a B flat with our second finger, and a C note with our little finger, so that's 1, 2, 4. And then we move to the G string and we play the D flat note with our first finger, that's the 6th fret, and then the D sharp with our third finger at the 8th fret, and the E note at the 9th fret with our little finger. And then we move to the B string and we play the F sharp note with our first finger, the G note with our second finger, and finally the A note with our little finger. So that's frets 7, 8, 10. And then we move to the thin E string and we play the B flat note with our first finger, the C note with our third finger, and the D flat note with our little finger. So that's frets 6, 8 and 9. Now you might have noticed that what we're doing is, in terms of the left hand fingers, we're doing 1, 2, 4 on one string, and then on the next string we use fingers 1, 3, 4, and then on the next string we use fingers 1, 2, 4, the next string fingers 1, 3, 4, back to 1, 2, 4, and then finally back to 1, 3, 4. So we're going 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, and finally 1, 3, 4. So this scale fingering makes a fantastic warm-up exercise because you're kind of warming up all 4 of your fingers. Now what I'm going to do now is just play the exercise to a metronome, and I'm going to set the metronome to sort of a moderate speed, 100 beats per minute, and then I'll play through the exercise using 1, 2, 3 and finally 4 notes per click. So here's 1 note per click. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 notes per click. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 3 notes per click. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally 4 notes per click. 1, 2, 3, 4.